Hey guys, back here with another unboxing video, and today in this video we will be unboxing these new headphones. These are the completely wireless headphones from Noise. Noise is known for the accessories. They make really good headphones and earphones. So this is how the packaging looks like. I got it from Amazon. So let's unbox it. Final box you get, and there as you can see it's named Shorts X3 Bass or Bass, however you pronounce it. So yeah, that's how the box looks like from the front. Noise branding on top. So these are not just any rebranded product, it is actually made by Noise. So that's all the retail. You can get this thing for like 5,000 4,000 rupees. We'll provide the link below. And yeah, it comes with Bluetooth 5.0, so yeah, that's really good. It comes from the right like this, and the first thing we get is this feedback kind of form if you like the product, to rate it. So yeah, that's the feedback kind of form. And then we finally have the product, and alongside we have the casing also, where you can plug it in and charge the earphones. There is no other way to charge them. So removing this plastic, let's keep it aside for a few moments and let's have a look inside. So yeah, it uses a micro USB cable, and the cable quality is also good. We get this extra ear tips according to your size, and we get the documentation just in case you want to know how to use them. Skipping everything aside, this is how the actual product looks like. Now it's having this glossy black finish. It looks really good, and even that case is shaped really good. So yeah, these are the earphones, and that's the packaging. So these aren't very heavy, these are really lightweight, and this is just the plastic covering. So we have the Noise branding on both the ear tips. And this is how the casing looks like. There you plug in the micro USB cable, and you can just slide them in and it starts charging automatically. Let's first remove this plastic. You can put any one of them and it will slide in anyways, so there is not specific like you have to put the left here, right here. And that's the indicator for the battery, how much is remaining in the case. It looks really good. The earphones feels premium. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. This was just a quick unboxing. I hope you guys liked this video. If so, please press that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.